Looking for a convenient way to enjoy hot homemade meals on the go? Meet the DUPASU electric lunchbox food warmer, your ultimate solution for warm meals, whether you're at work, traveling, or on the road. Let's dive into why this 100-watt heated lunchbox is a game changer for busy lifestyles. The DUPASU electric lunchbox features rapid 100-watt heating, making cold leftovers a thing of the past. It heats your food quickly and evenly, locking in freshness and flavor. All you need to do is plug it in about 20 to 30 minutes before your meal. Just remember to open the exhaust cover for safe heating. It's perfect for busy professionals, travelers, or truck drivers who want a warm meal anytime, anywhere. With a generous 1.8-liter stainless steel container and an additional 0.45-liter salad box, this lunchbox offers plenty of space for your meals. Made from food-grade PP plastic and durable stainless steel, it's safe, leak-resistant, and built to last. It even comes with a stainless steel fork and spoon for added convenience. While the main container is perfect for heating, do note that the salad box isn't heat-safe, so it's best for cold sides. One of its standout features is its 3-in-1 compatibility. It works with 110 to 230 volt outlets at home or the office, as well as 12 to 24 volt for cars and trucks. Cleaning is hassle-free too. The detachable components are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Just be cautious not to get the heating base wet. Wipe it down instead to avoid short circuits. Whether it's for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, the DUPASU electric lunchbox, complete with an insulated bag, is a must-have for anyone who values convenience and comfort. Ready to elevate your mealtime experience? Click the link below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.